Here's a quick tip when you encounter a O2 sensor code on your vehicle. This vehicle is a F450 10-cylinder 6.7. This is the bank 2 side under the driver's area. So what you're looking at is the upstream O2 sensor, which appears to be routed incorrectly from the factory. This caused the wiring to rub against this cable. And as you can see, as I zoom in, this yellow wire was exposed to corrosion, water, debris, and rubbing it eventually caused it to short to ground right there in the center. So I removed the O2 sensor, and as you can see, I have it on my desk, and we were correct where it shorted to ground. This was a quick and easy diagnosis and replacement